Ever wondered why initiating a VA disability claim seems like a labyrinthine task? Well, you're not alone. Many find the process daunting, but today, we will demystify it all. The first step in this journey is understanding the type of claim you're making. Veterans Affairs or VA disability claims fall into three main categories. First, we have the direct service connection, then the secondary disability claim, and finally, the presumptive list claim. A direct service connection claim is one where the veteran's disability is directly related to their military service. The injury or illness must have occurred while on active duty, or in some cases, have been exacerbated by military service. Next, we have the secondary disability claim. This type of claim is for disabilities that have resulted from an already recognized service-connected disability. For instance, if a service-connected knee injury leads to a back problem, the back problem can be claimed as a secondary disability. Finally, we have the presumptive list claim. This is for disabilities that VA presumes to be service-connected due to certain conditions or exposures during military service. The presumptive list includes conditions such as Parkinson's disease for Vietnam, veterans exposed to Agent Orange. Now let's dive into the process. It begins with filling out VA Form 21526-EZ, known as the Application for Disability Compensation and Related Compensation Benefits. This form can be filled out online, by mail, or in person at a VA office. While filling the form, ensure to include all relevant information about your disability, including medical records, service records, and any supporting statements. It's essential to be thorough and accurate in this step, as the VA uses this information to determine the validity of your claim. After submitting the form, you'll receive a confirmation from the VA. Following this, a VA representative may reach out to you for additional information or to schedule a compensation and pension exam. This exam is conducted to evaluate the extent of your disability. Once the exam is completed, the VA will review all your documentation and make a decision on your claim. If approved, they will determine your disability rating, which directly impacts the amount of compensation you receive. Remember, patience is key in this process. It can take anywhere from 3 months to over a year for the VA to make a decision on your claim. So don't be disheartened if you don't hear back immediately. In summary, starting a VA disability claim involves understanding the type of claim you're making. Whether it's a direct service connection, secondary disability, or a presumptive list claim. The process involves filling out the VA Form 21526-EZ, with all relevant information, possibly attending a compensation and pension exam, and then waiting for the VA's decision on your claim. Navigating the VA disability claim process can indeed be challenging, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it doesn't have to be an insurmountable task. Always remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, you've taken that step.